feels a little strange to be back after so long, because it's like time has stopped in here, but time has not stopped outside.
That's really deep. Okay, so I'm Sohla.
I'm Ham.
We're
married.
We're married, and we're gonna create a menu from a mystery ingredient that we don't know about yet.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's
Fine.
fine.
It's never been terrible.
It's never terrible because, you know, we like to think we're professionals. Yeah, there's like a brown, like before it was a brown paper bag. Is the bag still brown?
Looks heavy.
Heavy. Heavy.
Heavy. Is this processed food? It's not like an ingredient, is it? It's like Jell-O.
Yeah. Huh. Squishy.
Hot dogs?
Whoa. Yes. Has to be hot dogs.
It's hot dogs!
Oh, wow. Wow. The sheer disappointment I felt on the inside when I opened coffee, and now I'm on the opposite end of the spectrum with hot dogs. This is pure joy, because hot dogs.
I love hot dogs.
Hot dogs are a magic food that make life better. My mind went to two places immediately. One is something with a corn dog, and the other place is like some kind of peanut sundae type thing with the hot dog.
Then what if we have a carnival theme?
There, I like that. I like that. Yeah. There we go. We got sundae, we got corn dog type theme.
For corn dog, do you want to do traditional?
Yeah.
Simple cornmeal batter.
Just to like start you off. Your little corn dog amuse.
Should it be small then?
Yeah, a little mini corn dog amuse.
Okay.
So you know where you are. You're like, wow.
I'm at the carnival.
I'm at the carnival eating hot dogs, and only hot dogs in 5 different ways.
Okay. Oh, okay. So we'll do caramelized hot dog, like crunchies, right?
Okay.
And then I'll also do like a hot dog brittle that'll blend into a praline and we'll pour on top, so we have a caramel hot dog sauce.
Oh, okay.
So we need a hot dog entree.
We need a hot dog entree. Can we? No, we don't have the time. I was thinking if we could like meat glue it together and then cut it in the shape of a giant turkey leg and then deep fry that. That's what I would like to do.
That would be so
but
funny.
There are a couple of problems. I'm picturing something large that we slice that has hot dog cross section.
Hot dog lasagna. I would eat that.
Yeah, that's doable.
Crunchy fried hot dog.
For the top. That sounds good.
Yeah?
That'll definitely work. It's doable in the amount of time. It'll be delicious. You wait and see. You're gonna see the next TikTok trend is gonna be somebody making hot dog lasagna. It's gonna take the world by storm. Emily Mariko's not gonna know what hit her. There's a lot of things.
Everything has to be done first. We should strategize the components.
Yeah, we'll break up the components.
Because maybe if everything has to be done first, we're gonna be freaking out and then have nothing to do for half an hour.
Then we might be back to the drawing board. Huh?
That was good. I feel like maybe it's too much. Are we flying too high?
We'll find out. Might as well. We'll start strong.
Okay, mini corn doggies in cornbread.
In cornbread.
In cornbread, yeah. Ketchup and mustard dollops. Hot dog lasagna.
You should do a cross section.
That's a noodle. That's another noodle. Noodle.
Is it too weird to, yes, make a hot dog a lasagna, but since it's hot dog, go for a more like Coney Island cheddar dog type thing and use like cheddar instead of white cheeses? Hot dog, chili, cheddar. You're in Coney Island, baby.
You are in
You're in freaking Coney Island.
Yeah.
Stay with me here.
Yeah.
It's getting a little crazy.
Yeah.
Take this, pull it as much as we can. Cut like a slab of it, sear it, serve it in a hot dog bun, and then mustard and onions on top.
It's like hot dog inception.
People eat bread with their pasta all the time. I'm just saving a step and we're putting it all together.
Hot dog sundae, ice cream, hot dog praline sauce. Let's go for popcorn.
Yes, like caramel, kettle corny type thing. That sounds really good.
I think we should nix the skillet. Okay.
Okay. There's a plan. It took us so long to get. I feel like we've been
hard.
here.
I don't know.
I feel like we've been here all day. Feeling good. We found everything that we needed. We've returned. We're gonna make this carnival hot dog meal.
I'm gonna do dessert. Ham's gonna do lasagna. We'll meet up on corn dogs.
Yeah.
See what happens.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, I'm gonna start with ice cream. I'm gonna do condensed milk ice cream because I didn't want to make a base with eggs, which takes some time to chill. And the condensed milk has lots of sugar and stabilizers, so it's kind of like ready to be ice cream.
Like diced up in a sauce? Surprisingly, yes. For like spaghetti, for mac and cheese and stuff. Mac and cheese with cut up hot dogs is one of the world's greatest gifts. My fingers are gonna be excessively hot doggy for days. Hot dog fingers.
Are you worried about
not as much as I was initially. That needs 40 minutes to cook.
I'm worried about time. I'm worried about time. It's been 4.5 minutes, Ham.
Oh, 4.5 minutes?
Yeah,
Wow.
you need to stop just dilly-dallying. It tastes sweet enough. I think that it'll be okay. I just want to make sure it's like really well mixed before we pop it in there. And then let's go. So I'm gonna make hot dog caramel corn. And I'm also gonna scrape some of the butter off to put in the whipped cream, so it's like a buttery whipped cream. Hot dogs, I'm gonna cut some into small pieces for the praline. The rest will be for the hot dog caramel corn. How much hot dog do you want in a sundae?
I don't know how much hot dog can you pack into a sundae.
So these are gonna get crisped up in the oven with a little oil and then tossed in with our caramel corn.
Honestly, the most important thing with chili is time, which is what makes
This a terrible idea?
this a terrible idea, is because it's a chili made with no time. And personally, I am partial. I do like beans in my chili. Not a Texan. How's it going?
I guess it's going. Making it really hard on Shirley, just bouncing around town.
I'm not nearly as dynamic as you are.
Uh-huh.
I try to move as little as possible.
Okay, hot dogs ready for caramel. Oh, I got a little corn syrup. Gonna add a hit. You know, prevent crystallization. It's more helpful to add this earlier, but I forgot. There's potential for this to be really bad.
A
45
mustard-ish
minutes.
bechamel. Wait, 45 minutes?
Yeah, we're going really slow.
Yeah.
Classic bechamel. We're gonna start with a roux, a little butter, a little flour, until it's toasty, blonde, but no color. And then you whisk in milk until your desired thickness. Boom.
I have all my hot dogs diced up. I'm popping them into a pan, add some onions, let it get a little brown, seasonings, tomato product, and then just cook that out. So we're gonna do a little cinnamon, a little chili powder, a little onion powder, some cumin, oregano, cayenne, coriander. Okay, here's the spice mix. I'm gonna add this before my tomatoes because I'm gonna just stir it around a bit and toast up that ooh, spice to the face.
And we're walking. Hot behind.
I want this to come up to a simmer so it can start thickening, and then we're gonna start assembling.
I'll heat oil for corn dogs and get those skewered. That is not even close to being ice cream. Hot dogs! I was like, I smell something. They're not even like a little bit crispy. I'm gonna go in your hotter oven real quick.
Oh, the spicing's really nice. It's really balanced. You get a little bit of kick, you get a little bit of oregano. Bechamel's really good as well. It's just gonna take some time to cook out. I still taste a little bit of that flour.
That's not caramel yet. 35 minutes, that's not ice cream yet.
So this lasagna is like a bit of a Coney Island chili dog type of feel. So we're going with hot dog chili, yellow mustard bechamel, and some cheddar.
I am picking out the kernels from the popcorn, because the last thing you want when you're having caramel corn. Who picks the ingredients? I want to know who to blame.
So I'm doing bechamel, cheese, hot dog chili thing, then noodles. All right, lasagna's in the oven.
got 30 minutes left?
I don't know. I hope it's ready. It's gonna be tight.
Hot dog's looking good. We'll hit a baking soda. Boom. That's gonna make it Fluff City. Fluff City, baby.
I'm going to mix the corn dog batter now.
There's like a lot of hot dog fat that rendered out onto the sheet tray. So I want the popcorn to absorb all that.
Now that the lasagna's in the oven, it's like a waiting game at this point. It's like a toss-up. Are the noodles gonna be cooked? So in here I got cornmeal, flour, and I'm adding some buttermilk.
26 minutes. Now we're preparing corn dogs. Ham's going with the batter. I'm getting the dogs skewered. Amazing or
Don't say
terrible?
it's amazing, you haven't tried it yet.
It could also be really stupid.
It could also be a complete disaster.
I mean, there's a phone right there with probably 1,000 recipes. 24 minutes. Okay, it's starting to kind of thicken, just like a little bit. We might make it. If not, we're just gonna eat caramel corn.
And crunchy noodles.
Crunchy noodles, what are the crunchy noodles?
Lasagna.
Right.
I'm hoping that by the time we like clean up and get ready to taste, it's rested enough so that it cooks a little more. That's where I'm at right now. So are you just waiting on things to get done? Like, are you pretty much done with prep?
Yes, I'm gonna make praline now, and then whipped cream. Okay, so we're gonna make hot dog praline. And the goal is that the fat from the hot dog is enough to turn this into a sauce. I don't know why they make these so hard to put on. We did it. It's like making a nut butter, but it's hot dogs. Wow. Oh God. This smells so bad.
Oh no, really? Does it smell like hot dogs? It smells like sweet dogs. Proceed. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, I hate it. 13 minutes.
This may be our biggest failure.
Our one hope is that the corn dogs are good.
Sorry for the silence. I just need total concentration for corn dog dipping. Always put it in like a tight, high container, and then you dip straight down, and then as you go out, you give it a little twist. Nice dog coverage.
I want the popcorn oil to add to my cream. Sweet, sweet artificial butter flavoring. How's your whipping arm?
Good.
Switch swap?
Yeah, do you want to?
10 minutes, 45 seconds.
How long do you think these corn dogs will take?
10 minutes, 45 seconds.
Whipped cream is prepared.
Whipped cream is prepared.
Twirl.
Twirl, 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 twirl. Okay, that was too much twirling.
So lasagna is out of the oven. It's all nice and melty, and I'm just gonna pop it under the broiler for the rest of the
How's it look?
Looks good, it's all melted.
Should I toast some buns?
Yeah.
7 minutes.
We have corn dogs.
Oh God. It's still not ice cream.
Oh no, really?
Why are you so bad?
Moment of truth is when cut into it, but we have bubbly, gooey, crispy, cheesy lasagna.
Ice cream never like froze? It's like a pudding situation, right? 3 minutes.
In like true Coney dog like fashion, the onions are like roughly chopped, so you get like small bits, big bits.
Hot dog praline, yum. Nice dollop right in the middle. Wow, pureed hot dogs and caramel. Time?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, something happens.
We did it.
Hey, that's a post-time garnish. Hands down. Knives down, hands up.
For some reason, like this ingredient that we love, this felt very painful to make. This is like you're at school and it was your day for show and tell, but you forgot. So you just like went into the playground and picked up the nicest looking rock and then are trying to play it off like that it's your pet rock that you really treasure. It might be
Shall
fun.
we get into a dog?
Let's get into a dog. Dog?
Dog.
It's a corn dog. Needed more oil. Oil needed to be hotter so it could get crisper.
Noodles do seem cooked.
Wow. Oh, it's got some gooey cheese. Huh? Look at that. That looks like a chili dog, no? Huh?
That's okay.
I mean, we're saying this because it's ourselves that we're trying to convince. It doesn't taste like it looks.
No, it's really weird because it tastes like hot dog, chili dog,
Yeah.
lasagna.
Yeah.
Chili dog, it tastes like chili dog lasagna.
It tastes like you're eating a chili dog, and they're like, there's lasagna sheets in this chili dog. What the hell is going on here? I guess the vision was executed.
If this was really late at night, and I've had 3 whiskeys, I would be very into this.
I rescind my initial shame and disappointment. The seasoning, it's like it changed the hot dog enough where it doesn't taste like it's right out of the package, and it really makes it taste like chili.
I'm gonna plate another one.
A new one?
I'm putting the praline in the middle, so make sure you get some of that good meat caramel.
Okay.
There's no shying away from the hot dog bits. That's why we're here. That's what we're doing. Condensed milk ice cream, hot dog praline, hot dog caramel corn.
Getting a spoonful with everything. Everything's really tasty, and then you're like, oh, this is really nice, and then you bite into this caramelized hot dog. Everything is made really well.
You wanna make
seasoned
this
really
again?
well.
You want to eat this again?
I would eat it again, but I would pick out all of the hot dogs.
The idea of hot dog is gross. But if it was crispy pieces of bacon,
You'd be fine.
I'd be fine. But I think the thing that really turns me off is the blended hot dog sauce.
Oh, that's the part that I do like.
That's the part you like. That's the part that I'm really struggling with. Favorites? Hot dog, chili dog lasagna.
I surprisingly like the praline with the ice cream.
Yeah, no, don't.
More than I
no,
thought.
it's gross.
We'll see. We'll go to the panel.
This is gonna be the end of my career.
Hot dog praline.